Today we're doing a review of the Zoku Slush and Shake Maker that's sold at Mastermind Toys for $24.99. The Zoku comes in different pieces. The inner slush core stays in your freezer and the outer one stays out. When you're ready to make either some slush or a shake, you take the inner frozen core and put it inside the outer shell for two reasons. One, because it keeps your hands from getting too cold while holding it. And the second is that when there's condensation on the outside of the freezer one, it doesn't get on your hands or on the table or anything. So all you need to do is choose some juice. You can really choose any liquid at all. Today we're going to use some kind of purple juice. And you just pour it in to the slush maker.
Wow.
Isn't that neat?
Yeah. It's neat.
And you wait. All you have to do while the process is happening is keep stirring the edges. The reason is that the inner core stays in your freezer and will slowly freeze the juice over time from the outside in. So by scraping down the edges just gently during the freezing process, you'll make sure that it doesn't freeze too hard on the sides and so that you get a nice consistent slush all the way through. I'm going to keep stirring this every couple minutes so that you can see just how long it takes to freeze. You can actually tell that on the outside edges it's already starting to turn into little ice crystals. Okay, so we're at about 4 minutes now of it freezing, and I'm going to, when I scrape it, show you that there's slush forming on the inside. So now here we are at about the 9 or 10 minute mark. This time my slush took a little longer to make than it did previously because I had my inner core out of the freezer for a few minutes beforehand. So as you can see, it's consistently slushy all the way through, and that's just from stirring it every minute or so just to scrape down the sides. If I leave it in there even longer, it will get even firmer. So there won't be any liquid at all. At this point, you couldn't sip this up through a straw, so the nice spoon is handy, and it's ready for the eating.